Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share a tutorial on how to crochet this adorable necktie pattern for mask adapter. For sure this adapter is made of very easy stitches. It just consists of treble crochet completed with pulp stitches in the middle of each necktie pattern. So it looks so beautiful and so adorable. Well everyone, kindly watch the whole video for a complete tutorial, but if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more adorable upcoming content from this channel. Now let's get started. The thing you need to have for this pattern is yarn itself, a crochet hook, 2 buttons, a tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, you just need to make a slip knot. Well, after the slip knot, you need to make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, followed by 1 double crochet in chain 1. This is about to make a circle. Then chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and fill up the right circles with 6 treble crochet. 1 treble crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then end it up with chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch in a circle. Now make another side of the necktie patterns. Begin it with a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and just like before, you need to peel off the visible circle with 6 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just like before, after the last treble crochet, you need to end it up with chain of 3 and make slip stitch in the circle. So the first pattern of the necktie is now done, but it's not yet complete. I'm gonna complete the first necktie patterns using pulp stitch in the middle of it. Firstly, grab the working yarn, bring it down to the back side of the pattern like this. Okay, sorry, I'll repeat again. Be ready. Okay, now grab the working yarn, bring it down to the back side of the necktie pattern. Then grab the working yarn again and bring it down to the front side of the pattern. Make it twice. After that, do yarn over and pull through all loops. Now the first necktie pattern is complete. It looks like this. Now make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1 double crochet in chain 1 to make a circle and to make another necktie pattern. This is a double crochet stitch. Okay, just like before, make a chain of 3 and fill up the circle with 6 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then complete it with chain of 3, then make a slip stitch in the circle. 1, 2, 3 and a slip stitch in the circle. Okay, now move to another side of the necktie pattern. Place the working yarns behind the work. Make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 6 treble crochet inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch in the circle. Okay, it's almost complete, but not yet complete. I'm gonna complete it with pop stitch in the middle of it. How to do it? Okay, look at this. Firstly, grab the yarn. You need to insert the hook through this stitch beneath the second necktie pattern. Okay, let me show you. Firstly, grab the working yarn and bring it down through this stitch exactly underneath of the middle of the necktie pattern. So grab the working yarn from the back side, bring it up, then grab the working yarn again, bring it down to the back side of the necktie pattern. Grab the working yarn from the back side, bring it up to the front side of the pattern, then do yarn over, pull through all loops, and the second necktie pattern is done now and it's complete. It looks like this. Okay, this is for the third pattern. Make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1 double crochet in chain 1, just like the previous pattern. Then chain of 3 and 6 treble crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now chain of 3 and a slip stitch in a circle. Move to another side of the pattern. Firstly, make chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 and 6 treble crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. End it up with chain of 3 and slip stitch in the middle of the circle. Okay, now it's done. Then make puff stitch in the middle of it, just like what I did before, through the middle stitch beneath the necktie pattern. Firstly, grab the working yarn, bring it down to the back side of the pattern. Then grab the working yarn, bring it down to the front side of the pattern. Then make it twice. Okay. Grab the working yarn from the back side of the pattern, bring it down and up. Then do yarn over, pull it through all loops. Okay, now it's done. 3 examples of necktie pattern are complete. Well, you just need to repeat the same pattern to make more necktie pattern until you reach the desired length. I got the length I wanted. Now let me cut the yarn, and I will count it down amount of necktie pattern I've just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 in total. Now I will sew on the button. Now the adorable necktie pattern for master adapter is ready. If you have any question for me regarding these patterns, feel free to comment below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again on the next one. Bye bye.